Hello everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is Money Lover spending manager application. So here you can see this is the application. Basically you can expense under control, maximize your budget with the smart finance app. So you can check or count every uh, option. For example, if you see here you can say home service, how much money you spent in your home service, and how much money you spent in your food, and how much money you saving. You can calculate all the things through this application. Like you can saving vacation, how much money you spend in buying new thing, and you will see aspect of the um, chat paragraph. Here you can see there are shopping and gaming, education, of then bill. No more stressless, act wisely, and you can optimize, and you can connect your bank account. So you can see there are how much way you can utilize, like you can pay bills and utilize how can money you spend on your phone bill, water bill, electrical bill. So many things is available here. And if you really want to know about this app, then go this sector, and you can see here trusted by more than 5 million users, voted best Android app in 2017, Google's top developer editor choice since 2016, and the app is released 2011, and since that it's going on very well. So simply tap on the install button, and it takes few time to install your device. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.